guys, welcome back again to my channel. Today I got another wig in store for you all, and this one right here, it's a honey blonde kinky human hair wig. The color is really nice, you guys. This one here is a honey blonde 4x4 human hair wig, and the length is a 26-inch. I'm gonna cut this lace at the back. This is also definitely gonna be a veil-less install. I'm gonna only use a little bit of my glue, my spray. I mean, just to put the baby hairs when I melted them with the mousse. So this one first, and then I spray a little bit of my Wonder Lace.